double checking. Hey guys, I'll edit this. So this is a different video this time. So I filmed a couple airplanes at the military base at here at Fort Campbell to go along with our Fort Campbell trip with the 4th of July with the monster truck and stuff like that. That vlog that's going on right now. I was gonna put that in there, but I'm not, so disregard that stuff. This one's gonna be in this episode. This episode we are going to be at the Tennessee Wings of Liberty Museum. It's home of the 101 Airborne Division that's in Fort Campbell. There's a couple stuff here, like a Chinook twin-engine helicopter. So it's gonna be a pretty cool video, and go from there with the museums. And then I think I'm gonna try to take a look at some of the display stuff around the base and go from there. But yeah, the two aircrafts that I have in the footage, two is a boxcar. Actually a C-47, which is like a DC-3. And let's see here, hold on. Okay, it's a Fairchild C-119 flying boxcar that's also on display there. So that is next to each other, so I have that on there. So yeah, so we'll get to it. It's a couple of footages with the Ray-Bans are gonna be there also, and then we got the GoPro too. So yeah, so I like this stuff because I like the museums, I like aviation, airplanes, stuff like that. That's another side thing I do. So I'll come along and we'll take a look at this museum, the Tennessee Wings of Liberty Museum. There's a Sherman tank right here. I don't think it's a Sherman tank. I think it's something else. Now these are different jobs and stuff like that.
Just cause in Panama, the 160.
The Army's plans for the atomic era. Little Rock, Arkansas.
Look at that tire.
MH-60 Blackhawks to transport Manuel Noriega to Howard Air Force Base.
Decent sized tire. Legendary Humvee. There's a drone, Predator drone.
departure. Performance data is showing 85% required OGE. I'll call your power. And remember, get that power in and hold it.
Alright, so this is it. So I guess this is a Sherman tank. That's pretty neat. What is this? Oh, there you go. You gotta take a look at vehicles, so old Willie's Jeep. Cool thing is there was different manufacturers outside of it making Jeeps, like Ford and Chrysler and Willys, different companies during World War II. Ford actually had Ford, their letters named on the bolts on the Jeep, and I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, Humvee, but medical. It's kind of like a timeline through World War II to the day. That's a glider. Alright, welcome back. Just like I said, we now at the military base, but there's two things that I kind of like to see and go from there. But beforehand, look at that. If they don't want you to enter the road, they will do that. Look how freaking big that is. It's almost as tall as Lenny. It's taller than me.
That thing is taller than you. Holy cow.
But anyway, we're gonna check out. This is a Fort Campbell is known for their airborne side of things, and paratroopers, airborne rangers, I think. But there's two they have their parachuting airplanes here. Don't know the number, and I'll probably send it. But one thing I do love is some airplanes. This is what I call a box car. It's funny, this hill, the higher it is, I smell the panda. And then they have a C-47, which is a DC-3 with a missing tail. So, shoot some footage here, right? So one thing interesting about this airplane is the tail fin. Kind of reminds me of the P-38 Lightning. And what a lot of guys do is they'll be waiting out here. Pretty much, this door opens. Yeah, and parachute jumps out of it. And when they jump out, you know, whee, go from there. Radial prop engine. Surprised there's no bee nests around here, especially around this time. But I'll insert the picture and the info about this plane. Legendary C-47. It's missing flaps. Remember when I was young and it was at Wheeling, Ohio County Airport. Just chilling at night. It was freaking badass. Outside the B-17, P-51 Mustang, the Hellcat, etc. This is pretty much was the workhorse of the United States Air Corps, Army Air Corps back in World War II. And they made a lot of these DC-3s. It's even missing the tail. But this is a decent sized airplane. Today's standards, it's small. But I think the Gulfstream 5 and 6 about the same size as this son of a gun. They're still used in South Africa. No, South America, I mean. Freaking beautiful plane, but the wings missing, flaps missing. Kind of need to take care of it, but that's it. Pretty cool. Also, look at these shades. Pretty cool. Some heat waves. Thanks, Heat Wave. Been doing that with the NASCAR stuff. Lee and Lenny got some heat waves too. Heat wave. So, yeah, thanks, Heat Wave. But, and man, it's like 95 out right now. This is only day one.
A little breeze at least, though.
Yeah. A little Jimmy John's Cafe. Air control tower. That's the airfield over there. Panda Express is here too. Lunchtime. Not yet. We're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna do that another time. But yeah, on to the fairgrounds.